Hi and welcome to Dowswell Forest. It's a beautiful space, natural space, very close to where I live. In fact, this is the space that I bring people to on my guide training hybrid course, where 7 days are done online, video-based learning, and then 1 day is here with me in this beautiful space where we can practice what we've been learning online and enjoy and develop our ability to guide each other. And I call it an ability because it isn't something I believe we must learn and learn. This is something we remember. I think we're all nature guides. I think we all have the capacity within us to tune into something within our nature, but also something without, something in the nature here. I call it nature consciousness. And when I tap into my own inner nature, I align myself and I attune with and resonate with the nature, or sometimes what I refer to as the aliveness in a forest like this. And something then magical happens. There's a deeper experience, a deeper connection, a clearer understanding comes to me, and then deep, deep insight. And it's almost like I tune into something, I channel something. And that something is usually wisdom, nature wisdom that helps keep me on this path towards my true nature. I don't know about you, but I often feel that in a space like this I can connect very, very easily with my nature. I can see nature, hear nature, touch nature, feel nature, smell nature, taste nature even. I've just given Lola a blackberry. I give her one a day when we're out, especially when the blackberries are very ripe. Gives her some lovely vitamin C and a new experience and a new taste for her. And it's quite safe to do as long as she doesn't eat too many. And combining all those senses for me, when I combine all those senses, it's what the Japanese call Shinrin-yoku, bathing in the atmosphere of a space like this, forest bathing. And that's really bathing the senses, your senses being 100% tuned into the environment that you're in, which is what our ancestors would have experienced and connected with, I sense. And when we do that, we can very easily connect to what I call nature consciousness. It's one of the reasons I believe that the bird song that I'm hearing now isn't an alarm. The birds are not calling an alarm, or they're not quiet because they're worried about a predator in the forest. They recognize that it's me as another part of nature. My intention is just to be here, to be part of the nature here, and to be curious about the nature here. My intention isn't to harm anything here. And so the birds are very relaxed. It's as if they sense that I'm not an intruder. I'm a part of the landscape, the soundscape. And scientists have discovered that when we are in spaces like this and tuned into the bird song, and the birds are singing naturally, our parasympathetic nervous system is triggered and we go into a much more relaxed, chilled state of being, which is good for us, which calms the mind, relaxes the body, boosts the immune system, reduces stress levels, reduces blood pressure, and all those symptoms of stress are relaxed and reduced. And even now, doing this video, my attention is very much on how relaxed and clear I feel. And why I was mentioning this is that my life isn't always like that. Something in my everyday life can suddenly interrupt me, and it knocks me off my path towards my true nature. That's why I believe we're always moving towards our true nature. Something will come up, it'll interrupt me, it'll distract me, and before I know it, my sympathetic nervous system is triggered, I'm feeling stressed, I'm upset, I'm out of sorts, my mood shifts. I can shift from sometimes sadness to annoyance, frustration, even rage, which would be natural if I was defending myself and the people I cared about, but isn't natural when it's just coming from thoughts, coming from information I'm receiving. It isn't actually related to anything in the natural world, in the experience that my body is existing in. So it's really important for me to come to places like this where I can bring all of the elements of me, my thoughts, my feelings, my instincts, my senses, my intuitions, my body, my mind, my heart, my soul, bring all of that together in alignment, because I believe that that's when we're being true to our nature, is when we're in alignment. Most of us are not in alignment these days. So that's why I guide people. That's why I encourage people to guide others too into spaces like this. It's a natural ability to bring somebody into a space like this. And I want as many people as possible to sense this within themselves and start seeking out ways in which they can do this more for themselves, but also how they can do this more for others as well. Because when we do things for others, we're also doing things for ourselves. Selfishness is always doing things for ourselves with no consideration for others. That's selfishness. It's important to look after self, but it's also important to recognize and useful to recognize that when we look out for others and ourselves at the same time, we're more in balance. It is more balanced, and somehow looking after others looks after us as well. And so for me, that's why guiding people into a space like this, introducing people to the healing power of nature and the path through natural mindfulness to more nature consciousness, expanded nature consciousness, and health and well-being, to me is a very empowering way of living your life. So I just wanted to share that with you. I've not been putting videos out recently, not like this one anyway, and I thought it was about time that I did. And it's been a lovely sunny day. Lola wanted to walk, so I thought I would just share that with you while I'm here and encourage you. My website, ianbanyard.com, is currently down. It was hacked and I lost the website, and I'm rebuilding it. And so what I thought I'd do is let you all know that that's happening, but I'm rebuilding it, and I will put a link at some point out when it's ready for people to start visiting again. So anybody looking for my courses, looking for my walks, looking for me, the website has gone down, so it's meant I can't be there, but I'm using that as an opportunity to just have some me time, to have some self-time, and have some time away from the computer and more time in spaces like this. Anyway, I hope you get a chance to get out today. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my walk. I think Lola would like me to give her some attention now rather than attention with you on here. So enjoy what you're doing today. As I say, get a chance to get out if you can. And connect with me. Leave a message, ask me a question, just say hello, and let me know how you're doing. Take care now, and have a great day. Bye-bye.